Okay, I have my last set of test tubes now that we're going to look at. I have iron 2 sulfate in each of my test tubes, and I'm going to use the same 4 metals. So I'll start with copper, and I'll put that in the first one. And it doesn't appear that anything is happening there with the copper. So now I'll move on to the magnesium metal and drop that in. And I see a reaction. Hopefully you can see that if you look very closely. I'll try to get it closer here for you. You can see that we have some little bubbles that are forming. And once again, you can hear it if you listen very closely. So we have a reaction with the magnesium and the iron sulfate. Now I'll add my little scoop of iron. And no reaction there at all. And in my last test tube, I have my little piece of zinc. And I'll drop that in. And it looks like there might be something starting to happen there, maybe. Looks like I've got a little bit of a color change that is starting to happen. Looks like the zinc is getting a little bit darker. So we'll let that go for a minute while we look at these others again and see if we get any further evidence of a reaction there. So with the copper in the iron sulfate, no reaction. We've still got quite a bit of a reaction taking place here with the magnesium in there. You see a lot of bubbles that have been produced there. Nothing happening with the iron at all. And then the zinc, it's really hard to tell, and I know I'll never be able to get it focused here for you the right way, but there is a little bit of evidence of some color change, some deposition, a few little bubbles that are taking place on the surface of the zinc. So we will say that there is a reaction. I've got a little bit of bubbling and a little bit of a precipitate that is forming there. It's supposed